Dagens afsnit, det er billig versus dyr street food i Mexico City. Det kan kun blive godt. Valeria, you have chosen an amazing, super cheap place, followed by a more expensive place, more fancy place, where they have some of the same dishes. So we're gonna compare them today.
I want you to see that you can really eat good for cheap and expensive.
Yeah, should we head over?
Yes, come.
This is one of the cheap places, I guess.
Yes.
Such a cool atmosphere here.
We're here at Tortas al Fuego. We're going to try something cheap but delicious, and we are going to compare it later with something high-end.
These prices, it's
kind of insane,
yeah,
right?
It's kind of insane, yeah.
I ordered some tacos. This is a Kebab Tacos, Pastor Tacos. They sell the best al pastor tacos. That's pineapple. Need to have the taco with pineapple. I ordered a torta, which is the kebab meat in a bun with cheese.
There's black bean paste, kebab meat, cheese,
tomato, avocado, mayonnaise, and white onion. And I also ordered rib tacos with cheese.
Nice.
And also I ordered tortilla soup.
It sounds a bit weird, but I'm super stoked for it.
It's one of the dishes that we all love.
Okay, this is actually like some sort of crispy still, but I've never tried a soup with avocado in though. Yeah, very rich. Så det er simpelthen en tomat-kyllingesuppe med sprøde tortillas i, avocado, ost og fløde. Altså, this one first?
Yes. I'm just gonna put both salsas.
I need to try to see how spicy it is first.
It's spicy.
Yeah, it's a little bit spicy. Green one. That's so delicious. This one's called salsa verde.
Salsa verde.
And what kind of cheese is here?
It's like a manchego cheese.
Fuck, it's good. It's so simple.
It's simple.
Yeah. It's good meat, it's good cheese. Jeg ved slet ikke, hvad jeg skal sammenligne det med, men det er simpelthen manchego, ost og okse ribs, som er slow cooked. Og så er det helt sikkert vendt i noget barbecue. Fuldstændig insane det her. I think it's gonna be really hard to top. Kebab one with coriander, onion, and
pineapple.
Pineapple thing is very interesting, I think. Cheers.
Cheers.
Pineapple on tacos with kebab definitely works. That meat is amazing. All right, this one I can already say now. I think it's gonna be the best one. I'm in heaven right now. Det minder lidt om sådan en berlinerdøner derhjemme, bare bedre. Men så er det der super billige bløde brød indeni, som så er blevet ristet sådan lidt for meget, så det er blevet helt dejligt crispy udenpå. Og så er det bare fyldt med det her helt fantastiske kebabkød, bønnepaste, ost, avocado, tomat, lille smule mayo, og så putter man salsaen i. Det er en af de bedste steak sandwiches, jeg nogensinde har fået. Og så det her koster altså 48 pesos. What is that?
A strawberry and orange.
How much is that?
42 pesos.
Så for 15 kroner, der kan du altså få en hel liter friskpresset jordbær og appelsinjuice. Derhjemme kan du ikke engang købe 2 jordbær for 15 kroner.
I think you're gonna love this one.
So that is kebab, manchego cheese og...
And pineapple.
This can only be freaking amazing. Oh yeah. This is my favorite one. You cannot top this. Og du kan jo heller ikke gøre noget forkert her. Dejligt puffet, lækker tyk tortilla. Og så bare masser af det der barberet kebab derude. Gode salsaer, rigtig stærk manchego-ost og så noget frisk ananas. Altså, kan man ikke få sådan noget her hjemme i Danmark, altså? Now we have been eating and eating and eating and eating, and every time we go to the fancy places, we have been super disappointed. Because it's been more pricey, and I don't think it has this charm of the street food of sitting here on a wobbly table with people running around, and tonight we're gonna go out to a fancy restaurant.
Yes, we're going to a fancy restaurant.
You have been to before?
Yes, and it's good.
And it's good. Okay.
Yes, and we're gonna try the same tacos in there.
Yeah.
And we're going to compare.
Nice. Det er altså noget, der kan gøre mig liderlig at se sådan en der. Det er fuldstændig sindssygt, hvor stor den er. Vi har betalt 296 pesos, så det er cirka 120 kroner for alt det mad, vi har fået derinde. Det er eddermame sindssygt. Nu står vi altså ude foran den dyre restaurant, hvor vi skal prøve at se, hvad de kan lave af streetfood-lignende ting. De har blandt andet de små tacos, som man kunne få for 14 pesos det andet sted. Herinde der koster de altså 75 pesos stykket. Så lad os se, om det er værd. Alright, Valeria. Now we're seated here. It's a super fine dining restaurant compared to what we have experienced.
Yes, for sure. This is Cuerno. I think it might blow you away, but it's also super fancy, as you can see.
It's also crazy. There's almost more waiters than...
Yes, that's like 3 waiters per table. I ordered some street tacos, which we are going to compare from the ones that we had.
Yes, and as far as I could calculate, it's about 5 times as expensive as the street ones we got.
Oh, we're gonna have a special gringa here.
Oh yes, super nice atmosphere. Really, really nice atmosphere. Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm excited to taste some good food. Gracias.
So the concept is the same.
Yeah.
Pork chicharron with green salsa, with cheese and toppings.
The other one we got for lunch, similar to this one. This is the gringo.
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
Gringo one.
Which was one of the absolute best tacos I've had down here.
Okay.
This should be better, but it's 5 times better.
Cheers!
Cheers. I get more kind of naan bread vibes with the taco, with tortilla that is a little bit more thick.
It's super flavorful and also it's smoky. I think it will be nice if we can both, like with our eyes closed. If you want the first one, if you prefer this one, you're gonna say 2.
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, but
this one's better.
It should also be 5 times better. I would say it's not 5 times better, but it's definitely better. Yeah. But I really also like the chicharron, the pork skin. Now we're talking.
These are street tacos. As you can see, they prepare them as the same as the ones that we have in the other taqueria. The meat is also like kebab meat, but
high-end kebab meat.
Yes. And yeah, this creamy avocado sauce. So I hope it's good.
So this is 1-to-1, same concept as på en anden restaurant koster det altså 4 kroner for sådan en, og her koster den bare til cirka 6-28 kroner stykket. Should we dig in?
Let's dig in.
Cheers. I think it's amazing. I definitely like it, but a little bit more spice the meat. I don't think it's that much better than the kebab one.
The quality of this is better.
Cheap one was better actually.
Cheap one's better.
Og det der skal ske nu, det er godt nok ikke noget vi fik på den anden, men det var vi simpelthen nødt til lige at smage det her. Vi skal simpelthen have bone marrow med myreæg i en taco. Det kan kun blive godt.
The escamoles, the eggs are sauteed with peanuts, sesame seeds, and also chile morita, which is a really spicy chili, and some oil. So this should say is really good.
Det er altså en helt sindssyg idé at putte det her i tacos. Myreæg og knoglemarv, og så friteret koriander, og så en eller anden helt fantastisk sovs. Det her, det kunne meget vel gå hen og blive den bedste taco, vi har smagt på hele turen. Jeg har ekstremt høje forventninger til det her.
Cheers.
Very nutty. But I must say that I'm a little bit sad that the sesame and the peanut take so much over.
Of the ant eggs?
Yeah, very nutty compared to the bone marrow flavor and the ant eggs. I would maybe like a little bit more.
They should put less sesame seeds. But it's nice.
But it's still good, yeah.
Okay.
I would say not worth the price compared to, I think the first one we got was absolutely stunning. The second one, also good. But at the little place we went for lunch today, that was just as good, I think. A bit underwhelming, I would say. I think the fine dining experience here was super nice. It was some amazing food, great service, all of that. But when I think about Mexico City and the reason that I wanted to come here, that was exactly for the place that we went for lunch.
Yes.
The sketchy people, sketchy place, and it was just super, super nice. Det var altså Billig vs Dyr Street Food i Mexico City Edition. Jeg synes, det var nogle fantastiske oplevelser, vi har haft i dag. Fine dining experience, det var super, super lækkert. Det var meget sjovt at se, hvordan man kunne tage den til the next level. Nogle af tingene virkede, nogle af tingene virkede ikke så godt. Men grunden til, at jeg er taget til Mexico City, det er altså for at smage den lokale, skumle street food. For der er simpelthen noget smukt over. Den her video, man kan jo selvfølgelig godt sige, at det var jo Billig vs Dyr, men det er et meget, meget svært sammenligningsgrundlag. Og så vil jeg faktisk sige, at det her det virkelig er understreget, at det er de billige steder, det er de lidt skumle gader, man skal ned af for at finde de rigtige måltider her. Det første sted, vi var til frokost, er åben 24/7. fyldt med røg og barbecue-duft og kebab og folk, der løber rundt over det hele, og det koster ikke en skid at spise der. Det er bare Mexico City for mig. Det andet sted, vi var, jo, det var en fin restaurant, men er ikke så langt fra noget, man kunne finde hjemme i Danmark. Nogle af retterne var gode, nogle andre der var mindre gode. Der var super fin service og sådan noget, det er slet ikke det, men vinderen er 110% det lokale måltid. Folkets måltid. Det er der, hvor alle spiser. Det er det, der betjener alle menneskerne her. Og de har priserne til folket også, og det er bare det bedste her. Gå altid efter det billigste. Det er sgu typisk det bedste her.